Printing a document. At some point in their lives, most Word documents are headed for the printer. Word puts a lot of printing power at your fingertips. This session shows you the quickest and easiest ways to print your entire document. Normally, the print option in Word 2007 provides three types of printing options, namely Print. This option allows you to select a printer, number of copies, and other printing options before printing. Quick Print. Send the document directly to the default printer without making changes. Print Preview. Preview and make changes to the pages before printing. Printing a document. If you want to print a document in Word, all you have to do is go to the Office button. In that, click on Print option, which opens a tab in that select Print. Doing that opens up a print dialog box. In that, select the name of your printer, select your print range and number of copies required. After selecting all the prerequisites, click OK. In a few moments, your document will be printed. Before printing your document, it is better to see a preview of it. Just take a look how printing option works. We'll be discussing about it briefly in the upcoming lessons. Quick Printing. The shortest route to the printer is the Quick Print button. With a document open in Word, go to Office button, click on Print button and then select Quick Print. With a couple of clicks, your complete document begins to spew forth from your printer. Sending a document. Sending via email. After creating a document, you can quickly send it via email from within Word without starting your email program. All you have to do is go to the Office button and click on Send option. In that, select Email. Doing that displays a message window. The current documents are already attached to the message, so all you have to do is enter the email address of anyone you want to receive the message and its attachment. If you want, you can modify the subject line, which contains the name of the document you are sending. Faxing a document. In addition to sending a document as an email attachment from within Word, if you've signed up with an internet fax service provider, you can send it as a fax. Although the exact terms vary from one provider to another, these services let you send and receive faxes from your computer without needing a fax machine. After establishing internet fax service, you can send the current documents to the fax service by clicking the Microsoft Office button, pointing to Send, and then clicking Internet Fax. You can then follow the procedure specified by your fax service provider. Prepare option. This option allows you to prepare your document for distribution. And this provides 7 new options to prepare your document for distribution. To navigate the preparing options, follow these steps. Clicking your Office button. Clicking that displays a list. In that list, your mouse pointer in the Prepare button. This displays the default preparing options available, such as Properties. This allows you to view and edit document preparation, such as title, author, and templates. Inspect Document. This option checks the document for hidden personal information in your document. Encrypt Document. This option will increase the security of your document by adding encryption into it. Restrict Permission. This will allow people to access your document while restricting their ability to edit, copy, and print. Add a digital signature. This will make sure the integrity of the document by adding an invisible digital signature to the document. Mark as final. This option lets the reader know the document is final and make it read-only. Run Compatibility Checker. This option will check for features not supported by earlier versions of Word. You will be experimenting with these preparing options like encryption, digital signatures briefly in the upcoming sessions. Publishing a document. If you want to publish your document, Word 2007 provides some easy steps to make your work easier. It provides some inbuilt features to publish your document. To view the Publish options, follow these steps. Clicking your Office button. Clicking that displays a list. In that, place your mouse pointer in the Publish button. This displays the default publishing option available, such as Blog, This option allows you to create a new blog post with the content of the document. I will discuss briefly about the blogging in the upcoming session. Document Management Server. This option allows you to share the document by saving it to a document management server. What is Document Management Server? The Document Management Server, DMS, is a next-generation network element that stores and manages service group membership information using simple standards-based interfaces. It provides an extensible data model and allows application servers to easily access and manipulate documents. Create Document Management Server. This option will create a new site for the document and keep the local copy synchronized. Quick Access Toolbar. To help you work more efficiently, Office allows you to customize the Quick Access Toolbar or to create entirely new toolbars in certain programs. The Quick Access Toolbar is always visible on the screen and can be resized to fit as many options as you need. The Quick Access Toolbar is available in Word, Excel, Access and PowerPoint. It is always visible, no matter which tabs are active on the ribbon. If there are options that you use frequently with different types of tasks, you may want to consider putting them on your Quick Access Toolbar. Office also gives you the option of customizing the Quick Access Toolbar for all documents, or simply the one you are currently working with. From the Quick Access Toolbar, click Customize Quick Access Toolbar. Select More Commands. The Program Options dialog box appears, displaying the Customize options. From the Customize Quick Access Toolbar pull-down list, select whether you would like these changes to appear in all documents or only the current document. In the Choose Commands from pull-down list, select a group of commands, all commands, popular commands, commands not in the ribbon. All commands from the selected group appear in the scroll box below. From the list of available commands, select the one you want added to the Quick Access Toolbar. Click Add. The selected command is added to the list of toolbar commands. Repeat steps until all desired commands are added to the Quick Access Toolbar. If you decide that you no longer want a command on the Quick Access Toolbar, from the list of toolbar commands, select the command you wish to remove. Click Remove. The option is removed from the Quick Access Toolbar. To display the Quick Access Toolbar below the ribbon at the bottom of the Options dialog box, select Show Quick Access Toolbar below the ribbon. Click OK. Notice that your changes are applied to the Quick Access Toolbar. Last but not least, there are two more options present in the drop-down menu. They are shown above the ribbon and minimize the ribbon. These are the commands used to customize the ribbon menu or workplace.